This is Nashima, the CEO of InfoTechSquad.com, and we are a team of CPAs and EAs. Is it necessary for a DBA to be registered? This is my today's topic, in which I am going to share with you some pros and cons and the registration process of a DBA. What is the advantage of doing business under a fictitious name? What is the advantage of doing business under a fictitious name instead of as a separate entity from an individual? Separate entity representing here the corporations or LLC, or other than sole proprietorship or general partnerships. I have outlined below the pros and cons and the registration requirement of a DBA. My mission is to give you guidance to achieve your goals so you do not regret your decision later. I'm going to share with you some characteristics of a DBA. The proprietorship. The proprietorship must file a formal doing business as registration as required by state law in order to conduct business using a fictitious name. State law mandates the filing. State law mandates the filing of a DBA or doing business as certificate by individuals who conduct business under a fictitious name. In contrast, setting up a sole proprietorship. Setting up a sole proprietorship is limited to a few legal requirements, such as local zoning and licensing. The sole proprietorship is the most straightforward and inexpensive way to establish business organizations. The owner. The owner has a complete control over business decisions and operations. The business is not classified as separate entity. The business is not classified as a separate entity instead of being reported. Instead of being reported separately, profits and losses are reported on the owner's personal tax return. The owner is responsible. The owner is responsible for all business debts and obligations which could jeopardize their personal assets. The registration ensures that the public is informed. The registration ensures that the public is informed and transparent about the company's owners. The majority of jurisdictions have made it mandatory. Many small business owners find sole proprietorship to be a great choice due to their simplicity and cost effectiveness. It is important to weigh the advantages and disadvantages and take into account your business needs. A sole proprietorship cannot convert and move to another state like a separate entity. Therefore, it is important to consider your goals before you endorsing it. Thank you and God bless you.